Good afternoon. Namaste. This is Sampradana Charitable Trust, Mysore. After a long gap, today early morning, I received a call from a Malaysian friend. I don't want to name anybody. Some doubt has arisen in his mind. He has asked me, Guruji, by birth, I am a Muslim follower, Allah follower, but I am interested in all spiritual activities. But in our Islam religion, most of the people are not practicing all these spiritual systems, and I am unable to get a good guru. I am very doubtful in my mind. These yoga, pranayama, and all other spiritual practices should only be done by other than the Islam religion. I am very doubtful. I have been watching your video since from a long time, and I like your presentation. And if you could guide me properly, I will also join in the spiritual journey to learn this yoga, pranayama, and meditation. Through some videos, I have come to know that you are coming to Malaysia. Guruji, please convey the correct date and this thing, place. Where are you going to conduct this Joy of Life program? So this is the thing he has asked me. I am very happy. My videos are being viewed in Malaysia, Singapore, and Southeast Asian countries in lots. I am very much happy. And people are coming towards spirituality. The thing is, you should know very well, you might have known, the entire universe is made out of Panchabhutas, 5 elements. What is the 5 element? Fire, air, water, air, and sky. Even all the living things and movable and non-movable things, all are made out of this Panchabhutas or 5 elements. So, your body, the human body is containing all the 5 elements. The 5 elements are available abundantly in the nature. So, there is no separate air for Muslim people, and there is no separate water for Hindu people. There is no separate earth for Christians. There is no separate sun or fire for Jain people. So it is a multilingual community living in the entire world in different places. The religion is no way connected to the 5 elements. Since we are part and parcel of the 5 elements, we are all brothers and sisters. We are all brothers and sisters. There is no discrimination. Like the river starts from Ganges and it merges with the sea. Not only this Ganges, you take any river, Mississippi, Missouri, any river anywhere in the world, the river starts from some X place and merges in the sea. That is the ultimatum. Like that, any human being who has come into existence in the world, his ultimate aim should merge with the God. There is only one God. Rama is Allah, Allah is Rama. Jesus is Rama and Allah. Allah and Rama is Jesus. So there are plenty number of variety of religions are there in the world. There is only one God. There is only one religion, that is human religion. That is human religion. To, as per our convenience, to reach the destination, to reach the divinity, to touch the divinity, to merge with the divinity. According to our convenience, we have been attached to different religions. We have been attached to different religions. To attain the spiritual, utmost, what you call the extremism, merging with the God, you need a guru, you need a religion. That is why you have selected a guru, and that is why you have selected a religion. Air has got no religion, water has got no religion. Like that, all the Panchabhutas, 5 elements, are contained in the human body. When the external elements are attached to the physical body, the 5 koshas of human body, Panchakoshas, mental, emotional, spiritual, like that, there are 5 koshas in the body. How to tune these 5 koshas of the body with the 5 elements of the nature? That is called yoga. Uniting your Panchakoshas with the 5 elements of the external nature is called yoga. Union of body, mind and soul. The soul is everywhere. You got to merge everything in one single track. That is yoga. Yoga, pranayama, meditation, and all other spiritual practices takes you to the higher level, and it balances your body, mind and soul. That is why we have been learning or getting ourselves trained in yoga systems, and we reach the destination. To reach the destination, whether you belong to a Muslim community, or you belong to a Christian community, or you belong to any community in the world, or any religion in the world, you need something to cross over the river or cross over the sea. At least either you need a boat or a steamboat or a big ship to cross over. Like that, you need a guru and a religion. You have asked a very good question. To sort out all these problems, my Muslim friends, my Christian friends, my Hindu friends, all have joined together, and they are arranging a program in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. If you are really interested, you can also join in this Joy of Life 15 days freedom workshop program to enlighten yourself to a higher level, to get you the self-realization and tune up your mind, body and health in a particular track. Very beautifully designed, wonderful course, 15 days course. The Sampradana Charitable Trust is arriving Kuala Lumpur shortly. In case if you are really interested, you can enroll your name by calling this number. The number is 011 2626 78081. Okay, the course where we are going to conduct the course, the venue. It's a very small location, a small place, so the seats are very limited. In case if you are really interested, book your seat in advance. Thank you.